Video of mastering Git and GitHub. In this video we will learn how to merge between two branches. I know we already covered that in the previous video, but we merge them in Git or in Git bash. Now we will learn how to merge them in GitHub, and to do that we will click in this new pull request. We will click on it, and then it will show us or compare to us the other branches. For example, here the base branch is master, and we want to merge it, for example, let's say dev. We will compare with dev branch. And this is important because it allows us to compare between two branches. They tell us there is anything to compare. That means they are both same, but if we did some update in, for example, in this branch or in this branch, it will tell us in here. So let's change this to example. I think example it's not like a master, and it will refresh. See that, and here it tells us that it's able to merge. Those branch can be automatically merged. Here, if thing that we add, it's create an example .txt. It's the commit message that we did in this branch, and here if we want to write, for example, a description or something else about this merge. And if we go down here, we see the different things or the comparing things between branch and example. We see here that this person has committed one time, so it's been one commit in the example branch, and the command is create example.txt, and here it's things that are added in the example branch. So this is basically how can I create a pull request or merge between the two branches, but in GitHub. So this is all for this video. See you.